Good day everyone. My name is Alvin James De Ocania, base MT1 Section 121. I'm here to present about the deck cranes, maintenance and repair service. Deck cranes are an important item of ships equipment, and when they break down, this can result in loss of higher claims. Furthermore, failure of a deck crane can result in serious injury of death. Depending on the trade of the ship, the cranes may be used in every port or they may be used infrequently. However, frequently they require regular inspection, and maintenance. It is when a problem occurs with the crane that the maintenance records come under scrutiny. It is therefore important that in addition to having a planned maintenance system and carrying out the maintenance, it is properly recorded. Inspection and maintenance. Routine inspection and maintenance of the cranes should be carried out according to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule, and it should be incorporated into the ship's planned maintenance system. There are five important types of crane maintenance and repair service advice. Number 1, ensure proper alignment. After extended periods of use, a crane may become misaligned and lean to one side, causing excess tension on the machine. Crane operators should always be aware of the state of their equipment and seek out a reputable crane repair service immediately. If the machine is misaligned, at Bobcat Contracting, our qualified constructors are retrained every year to provide the best crane lifting services and spot hazards such as misalignment. Number 2, inspect chains and connections for damages. The chains and connections that comprise the hoist should be highly durable and able to withstand years of wear. However, if you notice serious wear, damage, or rust over time, may you want to have a professional assess the condition of your crane. Number 3, make sure the hook is intact. Construction workers rely on the hook element of their cranes to lift extremely heavy loads, which is why it is essential to make sure this component has not been damaged. Construction workers should regularly check the hook for cracks or bends in the material. If you require a rental crane during repair services, Bobcat Contracting offers state-of-the-art equipment for rent at an affordable price. Number 4, check air and hydraulic systems daily. Cranes rely on a variety of air and hydraulic systems to operate, which is why crane operators should check these systems for damages on a daily basis. Pipes, lines, and other components of your crane are far more susceptible to damage or leaks than heavy metal components. Number 5, replace wheels. The end track wheels on your crane must be in good condition to move this heavy piece of equipment and carry large loads on a job site. These wheels should be replaced as soon as you notice serious wear. That's all. Thank you.